Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make pork in air fryer full guide. Season pork with salt, pepper, and a light oil coating, then preheat the air fryer to 200 degrees C, 390 degrees F, and arrange pork in a single layer. Cook to an internal temperature of 63 degrees C, 145 degrees F for medium, flipping once halfway through. Rest the meat 5 minutes before slicing, then serve with your favorite sides and sauces. I'll walk you through simple prep steps to make juicy pork every time. Trim fat, pat the pork dry, and season or marinate for at least 30 minutes. Preheat the air fryer so the surface crisps quickly, and oil the basket lightly to prevent sticking. Arrange pieces without overlapping for even airflow. I'll also show timing guides for different cuts and quick tips to avoid overcooking. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like. It really helps me keep making useful videos. Quick recommendation. Life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's Black Ice. It's a fun little treat after grocery runs and pairs oddly well with weekend meal prep vibes. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can snag one. Now let's get back to the video. Follow simple cook times and temperature checks for reliable results in the air fryer. Thin chops may need 10 minutes. Thicker pieces or tenderloin medallions need closer to 14 minutes at 200 degrees C, 390 degrees F. Flip once halfway through to develop even color and crisp edges. Remove when the thermometer reads 63 degrees C, 145 degrees F. Tent loosely with foil and rest 5 minutes before slicing to retain juices and maximize tenderness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.